I mean, explain what's going on. This is live. Explain what's going on.
Oh, the stupid freaking angry bird that hates my guts is attacking my car because I chased her off the tree today. So she's pissed, and I guess since she can't beat me, she gonna beat the car. Look at her. Look at a fucking crazy ass bird. I'm not in there, bird. Dumbass. I'm not in there.
I mean, when is it going to stop, really? For real? Serious?
It's ridiculous.
It's just going to keep on and on.
Yeah, it's ridiculous. She's crazy.
That bird's from your side of the family.
No. That's your bird.